Last time we looked at split screens in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Today we're going to take that a step further and looking at another feature that may help you in certain circumstances. This function is locking a section of your editor when you're in split screen mode. Why might this be something you want to do? Well, for the first option, the purpose is to keep the inspector locked onto a specific sector of the editor, the one where you actually need to use the inspector. As I mentioned last time, one of the purposes of using split screen is to have research up while writing. Well, you're unlikely to want to have the inspector showing details relating to the research materials. So, how do you do this? Well, the easiest way is to right-click on the split screen icon. There, you'll see a checkbox to lock Inspector to Editor. If you click on this, you'll see a circular icon in red, similar to the inspector icon in the title bar, and the inspector will turn a pinkish colour at the top, indicating that these are locked together. This doesn't mean that the document in that editor section is locked, though. You can change that as you want, but it does keep your inspector locked to that part of the editor, if that's what you want. To get rid of it, just click on the round icon in the title bar. You can also just lock an editor in place using the same menu. In this case, you can lock both sections, and that means you won't be able to change what's in the editor by clicking in the binder. However, you can use the left and right navigation arrows to unlock it. Or, of course, just go back to the menu and do the same. Next time we'll be looking at quick reference panels, another way to see multiple things at once in Scrivener 3 for Windows.